Well, hello and good evening, everyone. Let me just share the post and let others also join in. Um, can anyone see me live? Okay, I have three viewers already, but I can't find the video. Where is it? Okay, here. Let me just share. Okay, share. Okay, hi Rinki, how are you? Good. अभी एक सेकेंड बस मुझे देना एंड गाइस प्लीज आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू शेयर द पोस्ट so that maximum people can join. Okay, done. So, hi Anjali. So there are 13-14 people now. I hope you guys join in. Guys, this is a very delayed release. Actually, I met an accident a few days back and I've hurt my hand. I have a bandage here. It's been over 20 days and my right hand is not able to hold anything. I am not able to take any weight or anything, and that is the reason this release got so delayed. I had worked on a few projects before I got hurt, before I met the accident, but unfortunately after that I could not make anything. So आज मैं आपको जो भी दिखाऊंगी, मैं 20-25 दिन एक आधा महीना एक महीना पहले जो मेहनत कर चुकी थी ना, सिर्फ वही है मेरे हाथ में. एंड दिस टाइम देयर विल बी नो कोर्स. I will be posting reels and live tutorials on Facebook only. So Anjali, I am better, but my right hand, I had fallen पूरा मुंह के बल stairs से. तो पूरा जो वेट था ना वो मेरा राइट हैंड ने लिया एंड राइट हैंड का रप्चर हुआ है. टिश्यूज एंड मसल रप्चर है एंड इट इज इन अ इट वाज इन अ वेरी बैड शेप अर्लियर. तो मुझसे मतलब हाथ उठाया भी नहीं जा रहा था, लेकिन थैंकफुली फ्रैक्चर नहीं हुआ, लेकिन टिश्यू रप्चर काफी मेजर हुआ है जिसकी वजह से सब कुछ डिले हो गया. एंड आजकल आई एम प्रोन टू लॉट ऑफ एक्सीडेंट्स. मैं परसों तरसों फिर गिर गई, तो वो ठीक नहीं हो पा रहा अभी. So chalo, let's get started. First of all, I have 3 releases. Everything is live already on Facebook, and this time I have 3 releases. The 3 releases are like dies, critter sheets and papers. So first and foremost I'll show you the papers. Okay, let me just open the gallery also so that I can share whatever I have. Updates also. Okay, there are 7 packs of papers this time. I'll just share with you. 2 of them are premium papers, which are imported papers. One is this. This is a very beautiful emerald green. This is a heavy paper, quite heavy and very sturdy cardstock. Thank you, Usha. And this is emerald green, and the other one is Caribbean blue, Caribbean teal. It's a very beautiful teal color. It is a very darker tone, peacock color जो होता है ना, blue, peacock blue color. It is that shade. So these are the 2 premium range papers. These are 325 each. These 2. The rest of them are priced at 225. This is camel color. Okay. navy blue color. This is again forest green. This is very beautiful green. Okay. 5. This is flamingo pink. This is orange metallic. This is the metallic orange. मैंने इसके envelopes पहले launch करे थे. And hi Lina, hi Ritudi, thank you so much. So मैंने इसके envelopes पहले launch करे थे इस paper के. And you guys really loved the paper. So many requests came that I should introduce the paper as well in the store. So here it is. This is the orange metallic paper. 225. Flamingo pink. Forest green. The video is a little slow this time because I'm using one hand and my energy is also a little low, but I think I'll cope up with that in a moment. Navy blue, camel color. This is one of my favorite colors this time. And this combination is also very pretty with the camel color, no? And this is Caribbean teal. So these are the 7 papers. The papers for the papers, the MRP is 1775 for all the papers, all the 7 papers. And if you take the combo is for 1650 rupees. Plus there is a coupon code as well. I'll just share the coupon details in the end of the video. You can also go and check my Facebook cover page on DCAM. I have updated the cover there. I have updated the banner on the website as well. So you can check the coupon codes there as well. Okay. Now, second is the critter sheets. Last we'll come on the dice. So there are 11 critter sheets. I have 9 in hand right now, guys. 2 sheets I gave them for printing, but my printer, made some mishap and forgot to add these 2 sheets in my packet. So वो उसके पास रह गई है. So I'll show you the pictures in the mobile. This is the first one. These are beautiful dolls. Girls, you can call them dolls, you can call them, I have named them cute cat girls, and I have made them quite far off. I did not push them together just to cut. I wanted to give you an option to die cut them. If you use a circle die cut and want to place that on a project, on a card, on an envelope, so you can do that also. So I gave you ample of space to use them. Okay. Second is this one. Look at these. This is the second cute cats too. I have. Then there is watercolor dollies. These are very pretty girls. Okay. Then there is rabbit. And I have given these fall elements also along with the rabbits. I'll show you the samples in a moment later on in the end of the video. This is adorable. This is a baby girl, newborn baby girl set. Look at the babies. They're so adorable. Okay. Same way, baby boy set. All these sheets are 9.5 by 13 inch sheets. They are bigger size than my usual size, and they're printed on iris paper. Beautiful, very good quality paper. I always use. You guys are aware of that. And look at this. This is newborn baby, boy and girl both in the same. This is one of my favorites. I did a new thing this time. This is a camping set. Look at this. These are the tents, and then these are the kids enjoying camping, and there are lots of elements and embellishments you can use here, like fire, camping. Then there's smurfs and bacon for roasting on the fire, mountains, first aid. All these elements can be clubbed together. Then there is, this is one of my favorite bicycle couple. Look at these. Look at the couple. So adorable. These can be a couple, these can be a Rakhi or a Bhai Dooj thing also. Because a boy and girl can always be brother and sister, siblings also together. Okay? And then the two which I don't have in stock right now. If you can see, look at this. These are the elements, landscape elements. I have given you clouds, I have given you trees, flowers, moon, sun, mountains. These are very cute. I don't think camera can do a lot of justice to it, but these are very cute. And then there is uh, beach party. Beach party, and you have a giraffe. If I can zoom in a little. See, elephant, tiger, lion, giraffe. Look at all this. Sun and surfboards, then trees, coconuts. Okay, so this one is that. ये दो और है sheets. So in all there are 11 sheets. The price of these 11 sheets separately is 120 each, and if you take them together, all the 11 sheets, the MRP is 1320, while if you take a combo it will be 1250, plus you can avail the discount from the coupon, which I will be just telling you right now. Okay. Okay, one more thing I wanted to do this time was introduce you to my previously launched dies. I wanted to reintroduce you to those dies because many of you do not know that they actually are available in the store. So one of them is the double stitch clouds die. This is a very popular decam die, and these are beautiful clouds, and even if you want to create a background with them, because it gives a stitching mark on the outside edge also. If you can see, it has double stitching mark, so it gives a if you cut out, the cloud has a stitching mark, and just जहाँ से cut out निकाला है वहाँ पे भी stitching mark होता है. So this is very versatile die. Okay. So this is one die which I wanted to reintroduce because I have used quite a lot of these dies in my projects this time. So you guys will be asking me, that is why I thought why not give it to you. Then I don't need it. Then this is a fence and hills die. So you get the fence die cut die in this and the hills die. So to create a landscape, to make a scene, to make a grassland or a hill, snowy peaks, anything, you can use this. You can use this for the fence. I have used it in another way as well. I have made a train track out of this. I'll show it to you in the project later. Then this is the clouds border die. It is the most versatile die, guys. जितने भी क्लाउड्स के बॉर्डर्स मैंने पहले भी आपको क्रिटर शीट का कोर्स कराया था, उसमें भी आई हैव यूज्ड दिस. दिस इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल इन डीकैम स्टोर. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, दिस इज द वैल्यू फॉर मनी die. This has 2 grassland, this has 2 mountains, this has trees, 4 of the 5 trees, 5 भी नहीं है, 6 trees हैं, 6 trees है इसमें. ये सारे barks मिल रहे हैं आपको ट्री के. Then you have the ocean का waves का borders, 2 of them. So this is a value for money, guys. And ये मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा यूज करी है इस बार प्रोजेक्ट्स में. So I just wanted to introduce this to you as well. This is called Build a Scene die by DCAM. Okay. So these 4 dies I wanted to reintroduce to you. Now comes the latest dies. Okay. So first, I'll just keep the I don't have die cuts guys in my hand because I'm sorry I could not take out die cuts. मेरा हाथ ही नहीं चल रहा है, मेरा right hand बिल्कुल move नहीं हो रहा है. So I could not bear the pain to cut the die cuts. But I have my projects जो मैंने पहले बना लिए थे, तो मैं उसी में आपको अब direct project सिखाती जाऊंगी साथ में, so that you are aware. So this is the first die. This is इसमें बहुत डिफरेंट डाइज आएंगी, नॉट द रेगुलर जो डीकैम की हमेशा वेडिंग थीम एंड एनवेलप थीम डाइज होती हैं, वो भी हैं, बट दिस इज समथिंग डिफरेंट. सो दिस इज द चुप चुप ट्रेन डाई. दिस इज अ वेरी क्यूट ट्रेन एंड इट इज नॉट अ वेरी टीनी टाइनी ट्रेन. इट इज अ गुड साइज, 2 इंचेस का होगा ये. वेबसाइट पे सारे वो मेंशन्ड है क्या साइज है किसका. I'll show you the sample what I have created with this. Look at this and look at this. So I have made this envelope. I have used I have combined 2 or 3 sheets in this. This is from the Elements. This is from Babe Couple. This is from Couple. These are from Rabbit wala thing. And this is the Clouds border. This is the Hills and Fence border, and this is the fence. I have used it as a track. Okay, so this is the first project I have done using all the dies which I had shown you earlier. And this is the train die, which Chup Chup train die. It is quite a good size. Look at this. मतलब ये 4 to 4 इंच का एनवेलप है, अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1.5-2 इंच का है ये ऊंचा. Okay. So this is the first sample I have shown you. The second is baby text die, and baby toys die. Look at all the toys. There are 2 rattles. This is a balloon bunch, and then there's rubber ducks and milk bottle. Then there is a pony. Okay, and I'll show you the sample. I'm sorry, I just could make one. पहले ही बनाया था वो मैंने, उसके बाद मेरा हाथ. Look at this. So ये बलून मैंने यूज किया है, यहाँ पे मैंने वो ब्लॉक्स का यूज किया है. दिस इज द बॉटल. दिस इज द बेबी टेक्स्ट. एंड ये वेलकम जो मैंने लिखा है, दिस इज अनदर डाई. This is candy alphabets and numbers die. This is a very good die, guys. I think I have a few die cuts here of this die. I'll show it to you. If you can see, this die has thoda detailing in itself. If you can see, इसमें भी दिखेगा आपको, डाइज में भी दिख रहा है आपको, जैसे एक शैडो का डिटेलिंग अंदर, हाईलाइट का डिटेलिंग है, पी का, आर का, सब में एक अंदर एक कट आता है. यस, यू कैन, आई थिंक इट इज विजिबल. सो ये है इसमें, एंड दीज आर वेरी नाइस साइज, लाइक 3/4 of an inch ऊंचा है ये, एंड हाफ इंच से के करीब, हाफ इंच से थोड़ा सा कम चौड़ाई है इसकी. 3/4 by less than half inch, like this. And I'll show you again where I have used it. See, welcome baby. I have created this, and this is a 3D envelope again I have made. Okay, so 3 dies I have shown you. 1, 2, 3. These 3 dies I have used in this particular envelope, and I have used one more. I'll show it to you later. एक एक करके चलते हैं. Then there is this die. This is extendable stripe borders die with cover. These borders you can cut inside the paper. You can cut alag se. Plus then you can, these are the longer parts which will fit exactly on your envelope. These are the shorter parts which will fit vertically exactly on your envelopes. Now I have a sample to share with you. Look at this. I have these dies. These dies, you know, you can cut in between the paper. These dies have covers with it. So what I have done is I have cut in between the paper. I did not take the entire thing out. You can take the entire thing out as a border. You can cut in between the paper. And what I have done is I have paper pasted these. And in the center, this center is the cross stitch die. Look at this. This is the cross stitch die. This is the cross stitch die. You can say it an extendable dot die, whatever you want to call it. This die can be extended. I'll show you. This die has two parts. Now this is one part, the outer square. You can just twist it and remove it. I want to keep it intact for this one because I have already one piece which is detached. And this die, if you just cut it in between the paper, it will cut and you can extend it जितना बड़ा मर्जी paper, चाहे A4 का पूरा paper इससे बढ़ा के आप extend कर सकते हो. I will be sharing a lot of videos later on when my hand has some movement and I can bear the pain or the pain goes away. Then I will try and after Diwali most likely I will start doing this. So look at this. This is a very beautiful this thing. Okay. So two dies. इसमें दोनों तरह की है. This is the border. If you want to take it out as a border, this is the border. This is how it will come out. If you want to cut in between the paper, I have shown you a sample how it is done. Then just a moment, I'll show you the vertical one also and horizontal one. This is the horizontal border. Look at this. This is the horizontal border. And the smaller ones I'll show you. See what I was talking about, cutting in between the paper. This is what I'm talking about. This I've run them together without the borders. So they have just cut in between the paper. The paper did not come out like a border, like this. If I will use the squares, rectangles, then it will come out as well. So these are the 1 and 2. These two dies again I have introduced to you. Then there are two dies. Look at this. This is the labels 2 die, slimline labels 2 die. This is the matinee rectangles die. And this has a best wishes die in between. And now I'll share the samples with you for this also. Look at this. जब इसका प्लेन वाला काम क्या पता है? इसका. Look at this. What I have done is these dies come like this. They are all stuck together. They are all together. So मैंने क्या किया है? मैंने इन dies को इसी तरह से I just passed it through the machine. And what I got was, I'll share with you, these frames. Lots of these. एक बार में काटोगे आपको 8-10 frames मिल जाते हैं. Then what I have done is, I have just taken, I have used only the frames. If you want, you can use them separately. Then you will get solid pieces like this with the stitching marks. Okay, and I wanted to make a lot of samples out of this because this is a very beautiful versatile die, but due to my hand this time I was totally stuck. So look at this. You just have to keep on pasting on different colors. You can go monochromatic, you can go with the similar tones, or you can, lots of options you have. So this way you can just create anything. I'll just share the sample once again. I made a plain one also without the this thing, but I could not find it right now. Look at this. Okay. What long stitch die are you waiting for? Stitching मैंने इसी में करी है. This is the die for stitching. See, I have used it for stitching. अच्छा, एक और sample मैं इसका दिखाती हूँ आपको. This is the die cut. When you cut out both the pieces together, you will get something like this. And this is a perfect graph for cross stitch. I'll show you a sample. I had it here, जो मैंने पहले use बनाने की कोशिश करी. See, I was sampling here. I'm trying to do stitching here. Look at this. I could not complete anything because of my condition, but sooner or later I will do it in front of you guys. I will show you some samples. And if anyone can help me out with this, if anyone really wants to, design for me, please come forward and let me know. I will send you a kit, but I need some commitment as well for the projects. And I can send you because this time I really need help. My hand is not working properly. So if anyone wants to help me out with the sampling of like designing, please come forward. Contact me, DM me, WhatsApp me, whatever, however, and I can send you the dies for free, and you have to make a certain amount of projects. I will talk to you. Please come forward with that. This will be a one-time thing here this time, and if I like, we can continue maybe. बट मेरे पास टाइम नहीं होगा तो मुझे इमीडिएट एक्शन चाहिए. Okay, so this is one more. Now then, the second die. Okay, this one I shared. एक तो मैंने आपको दिखाया है, ये देखो. एक मिनट. ठीक है, नो. Look at this. Very simple envelope I made. इसमें मैंने सिर्फ एक टॉपर लगाया है विद एंड एक मैंने ये लगाया है मैटिनी फ्रेम. These frames are really very very pretty. I really love them. एंड इसमें मैंने शैडो बनाया है, शैडो बॉक्स की तरह ये वाला मैंने एनवेलप बनाया था, एंड इसमें मैंने ये कट किया है, इफ यू कैन सी. ओके, सो दीज आर द टू जो मैंने इसके लिए यूज किया था. नाउ व्हाट ऑल डाइज आर लेफ्ट, लेट्स सी. सारा कुछ मिक्स हो गया है यहाँ पे. Okay, 3 dies are left now. Let me just show you this one first. Look at this. Purnima, my number is 9560797953. I will repeat again, just write it down. 9560797953. Okay, this is another die. This is the jungle scene die. I think if you can see, look at this. This is a very intricate die. I'll just show you the sample first so you can understand it better. Look at this. It's a very different kind of dies this time I have tried to come up with. This is a just you are putting one die cut and you are getting such a beautiful result. पूरा एक background आपका create हो जाता है. Thank you Nivedita. And इसमें आपको you are getting a deer, you are getting these birds, you are getting a fox, you are getting a rabbit. So in all there are I don't know. मैंने set of 2 dies लिखा है but it is wrong. It is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 तो यही है, और 11 डाइज हैं इसमें गाइस. 11 डाइज हैं. ये छोटी छोटी डाइज सारी अलग अलग है. ये ओके सो एक इसका सैंपल मैंने ये भी बनाया है, लुक एट दिस। ये कैंपिंग वाला शीट मैंने इसमें यूज किया है। आई विल राइट इन द मैसेजेस लेटर, पूर्णिमा। सी हाउज इट? आई शो यू द सैम्पल्स, एक बार में अलग से दोबारा से दिखा दूंगी। अभी मैं उसके साथ का दिखा रही हूँ आपको। अच्छा, वन मोर डाई विच आई हैड मेड वाज with the matinee square and with the fence and hills die and with the rabbit sheet and with the builder scene die. Look at this. देख रहे हो? इसमें मैंने rabbit critter sheets यूज करी हैं। I have used the clouds border die. I have used the fence and hills die. And I have used the critter sheets. I have used builder scene trees. Okay. Okay. Now second last die for today. This is again a abstract die. Abstract layering topper die. This is a layering die again. It has 3 layers, 1, 2, 3. And this is the pattern, abstract pattern. And I'll show you how I have used it. See, मैं ढूंढ रही थी single, मैंने simple बनाया था. Look at this. How pretty it looks. I'll just show you the comparison as well. Okay. And trust me guys, I was not able to work properly with these dies. मेरे को अगर मतलब मेरे को 5-6 दिन और मिल जाते ना मेरे एक्सीडेंट से पहले, तो ये जो क्वांटिटी ना ये डबल होती आपको मिलती कम से कम। लुक एट दिस। ये सारा काम मैंने पहले ही किया है। फॉर अ वीक और 10 days आई वॉज नॉट इवन एबल टू मूव माई हैंड, सो दैट इज वाई मतलब उस टाइम तो कुछ भी नहीं किया। अभी भी इतना सब कुछ असेंबल करने में मुझे आपको मतलब दिखाने के लिए इट टुक मी टाइम, दैट इज वाई द रिलीज गॉट रियली डिलेड। अदरवाइज ये रिलीज 1 अक्टूबर को आ जानी चाहिए थी, 1 अक्टूबर को। लुक एट दिस। एंड इसका सेकेंड सैम्पल जो मैंने बनाया है, जिसमें मैंने लेयरिंग नहीं यूज किया डाई, बट आई हैव ट्राइड टू गिव यू अ डिफरेंट ग्लिम्स ऑफ द, आई मेड अ शैडो बॉक्स। How's that? Okay. So this is how I tried to make these two samples. Does not look like a same die actually. It looks very different with paste. So this is done, and now last but not the least, this is the platform die. This is the platform pop-up die. I'll share a sample with you. Look at this. This die gives you a 3D look like this. It has several pieces. This is the background. I'll show you if I've used it somewhere. Yeah, here only. See, this is here I have this is the background. ये पूरा background आएगा। उसके बाद फिर आगे का ये 2 sides हैं, ये वाली sides। See, ये पहले पूरा एक साइड है जिसके साथ फ्लैप है जो आप चिपकाओगे, प्लस इसके ऊपर का इसका मैट है, वो अंदर है उसके मैट। उसके बाद फिर दीज आर द आगे का आपकी जो लेंथ्स है, ये लेंथ्स आई हैं आपकी, ये हैं ये वाली डाइज। इसका ऊपर मैट भी है, इफ यू कैन सी, देखो दोनों के इसके अंदर मैट है, तो यू डोंट हैव टू डू एनी मेहनत। एंड प्लस दिस इज अ वेरी वर्सेटाइल डाई इन इटसेल्फ। इट इज a 1/2 इंच का बॉर्डर, पूरा 1/2 इंच से थोड़ा सा बड़ा आया, ठीक है। आधी Yes, these critter sheets are already launched. They are live on the website. You can purchase them. Okay, so this is a very beautiful die, and this is how I have designed it. I could make two of these. I think एक मैंने ये बनाया था, and I have used a lot of dies. ये मैंने सारा builder scene में से use किया है, and ये भी grass भी builder scene में से use करी है, and बाकी सारा मैंने beach party से use किया है elements इसमें. The second one is I had made this earlier before breaking my hand, the background. So I had these cutouts ready with me from my previous cute critter course. So I just pasted them on top of that just to show you that anything you paste on those, they will work. अगर मैं इस पे मतलब अभी रैबिट का भी वो लगाती तो वो भी बहुत क्यूट लगता, या फिर मैं कैंपिंग का लगाती वो भी बहुत क्यूट लगता, बट I had these. So, and this, if you want to keep it now, it will fold flat. So you can just keep it in a sleeve. What do you call that? Polythene sleeve, and you can keep it, store it like that. And if you want to, when you gift it, you can just pop it and gift it like this, and it will stand on the table also like this. So this is the last die for today. So now I'll just once again go through the samples first. I'll show you the samples again. I have few, but ज़्यादा नहीं है इस बार मेरे पास. The way I come up with 25-50 projects हर बार उतना नहीं कर पाई हूँ, but जितना भी किया है, they are very cute. I guess you can understand at least what is happening. These dies also work in Dreamcut machine, ma'am. Yes, these dies will work in Dreamcut machine. All the dies. कोई die बड़ा नहीं है इस बार. See, first, second, third. This is very simple, you know. जितना भी ये डिफिकल्ट लग रहा होगा ना आपको कि बड़ी मेहनत करी है, इसमें सभी 5 मिनट नहीं लगे करने में, बिकॉज पीसेस इतने बड़े बड़े हैं ना, टाइम लगता ही नहीं है. Then I have this one. Simple and nice. If you want to enhance it, just use my critter sheets. They will always help you out. This is one of my favorites. This is very beautiful. Very beautiful. And you can just place it on a table like this. Open it and place it like this on the table. Looks so pretty. These are also pop-ups. I'll just open them up a little. Look at this. This is how it stands. And it stands on the table. This one also stands beautifully on the table. This one. Okay. This is one of my favorites. This is very pretty. सिंपल, सिर्फ बैकग्राउंड यूज किया है इसमें, तो कुछ किया ही नहीं है. पीछे स्टेंसिलिंग करी थी थोड़ा सा क्लाउड का बैकग्राउंड बनाने का, एंड डाई यूज करी है. दैट्स ऑल. सो दिस इज ओके. वन मोर, द ट्रेन. So these are the samples for today. There is no course. मोस्टली मैं सारे के सारे ये फ्री में ही सिखाऊंगी आपको, जस्ट मेरा थोड़ा सा हाथ बेटर हो जाए. आई विल कम लाइव, और आई विल क्रिएट रील्स एंड आई विल पोस्ट इट ऑन Instagram and FB and YouTube as well. Okay, and I'll show you the dies once again. So this is the platform pop-up die. This is the slimline abstract die. Yes, my doggy is just behind me. Acha, one more thing I wanted to share with you guys. This month, this entire month of October, if you place an order over on the website over 2,000 rupees, you will get a discount. I will just share the discount coupons with you. Plus, you will get this one die free as a Diwali gift from my end. Okay? So, whoever places an order of over 2,000 rupees on DCAM website from DCAM brand, the coupons are also valid only on DCAM brand. Okay? So, all of you will get this particular die for free. Okay? So, there's a free gift for you guys as well. Then there is a jungle scene die, matinee squares with best wishes, slimline labels too. This is the cross stitch die, or I think I have named it extendable dotted die on the website. I'll just change the name. This is the extendable border die, stripes border with horizontal and vertical stripes both. The baby text die, baby toys die, candy alphabets die, and the reintroduced dies, which is builder scene die, puffy clouds die, border die, fence and hills die, and the clouds, double stitch clouds die. These are the 4 dies. I have reintroduced this die because many of you are still not aware that these dies are available with me. So, and this is the die which you will get as a free gift, and this offer is valid all through October. All through October, if you place an order above 2,000 rupees, you do not have to do anything for this. We will be sending out this die as a free gift in your order. 2,000 रुपए विदाउट शिपिंग, 1900 का ऑर्डर नहीं होना चाहिए, 2,000 का ऑर्डर होना चाहिए, 100 रुपए ऊपर से शिपिंग लगेगा तो जाके ये गिफ्ट आपको मिलेगा. 1900 के ऑर्डर पे ये गिफ्ट नहीं आएगा. तो प्लीज आप ये मत कहना कि 2,000 का ऑर्डर था मैम मेरा लेकिन नहीं मिला. इट इज बिकॉज आपकी शिपिंग नहीं थी, उसमें 1900 का आपका ऑर्डर था. तो डिस्काउंट के बाद 2,000 का ऑर्डर होना चाहिए, उसके ऊपर ये आपको मिलेगा. नाउ आई शेयर द प्राइसिंग ऑफ द कॉम्बो एंड द डिस्काउंट कोड. Just a moment, let me open the picture. Okay, so the dies, all the dies, there are 11 dies in total. The 11 dies are costing 11,100 rupees, and the offer price for the combo, if you purchase all the 11 dies, the combo price is 10,600 only, plus you get a discount of 10%. There is a coupon Diwali 10 to avail 10% extra discount on all orders above 6,500. These are all valid only on DCAM brand, not on the entire website. Only on DCAM brand. Okay, please note that. Only on DCAM brand. I have mentioned it on the banner as well. See, I mentioned it on the banner as well. Only on DCAM brand. ओके, सो 6,500 से ऊपर का ऑर्डर है तो 10% डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. 4,500 से ऊपर का अगर आपका ऑर्डर है तो 7% डिस्काउंट मिलेगा, और अगर 2,000 से का आपका ऑर्डर है तो 5% डिस्काउंट आपको मिलेगा. प्लस आपको एक फ्री गिफ्ट भी मिलेगा. सो ऑल यू गेट इज अ फ्री गिफ्ट प्लस अ डिस्काउंट. सो प्लीज गो अहेड एंड यू विल गेट 2,500 से ऊपर का ऑर्डर पे फ्री गिफ्ट है. सॉरी, आई एम रियली सॉरी, मैंने बैनर में 2,500 लिखा, मैं यहाँ पे 2,000 बोले जा रही हूँ. आई एम सॉरी, इट इज अबव 2,500. सो 2,500 से ऊपर के और सारे ऑर्डर्स पे यू विल गेट अ फ्री गिफ्ट एज वेल. सो प्लीज गो अहेड, प्लेस योर ऑर्डर्स. एवरीथिंग इज लाइव ऑन द वेबसाइट. use coupon codes are there. I will just share the picture on Facebook right now as well, on DCAM page as well, so that you can just check and place your orders now. Okay, if you have any questions or queries, please let me know. Ma'am, you also have the character fritters at website which you use in cards. Yes, I have all the fritter sheets in the, these are the fritter sheets. There are 11 packs 11 designs of these. I have them all in the website. You go to the new arrival section. यहाँ पे नीचे आपको ना लाइव वीडियो में भी एक लिंक दिख रहा होगा नीचे चैट के पास. वहां पे आप उस लिंक को क्लिक करो. यू विल गो रीच द वेबसाइट. You will reach the website and from there new arrivals का कैटेगरी है वहाँ पे. उसमें सब कुछ है जो आज मैंने सारा सामान दिखाया. It is all there in the new arrivals category. Please go ahead and place your orders and the coupon is valid all through October. दिवाली के बाद तक भी मैंने 31st तक रखा है ये सारा का सारा ऑफर. 31st October तक it is all valid. Thank you Vinita. Now, what are the 3 colors of pink cardstock you have used in one envelope? I have used baby pink color. I have used इस बार का जो है flamingo pink and I have used magenta pink. नहीं, fuchsia pink. Hot pink. Sorry, hot pink is the name of the color. Hot pink है, baby pink है और flamingo है and the last color I have used is garnet, maroon color. These are the 4 colors from DCAM website only I have used. 4 colors are there. 3 nahi hai. See, 4 colors. Anything else you want to ask me? So, thank you so much for joining me. And I hope you like my projects. I hope you like the dies and the critter sheets. So thanks for joining me and please go ahead and place your orders and happy Diwali to you all. May you have a blessed year ahead. Thanks a lot guys. Thank you Anjali. Thank you so much. Bye bye.